Hi everybody, it's Mr. Ed. Here's a nice little quick Globex scalping video that I kind of put together just showing you guys. This is a 4-tick range chart. It's a little bit clearer than a Flex Renko, I think, and it's a little more accurate. So you can make this a 3 or 2 or 3 or 5 or 6, whatever you guys want. Whatever makes it clear. And people go, well, what should I set my chart to? You set your chart to whatever settings will make things clearer for you and for your goals. Okay? If price action stands out on a 5-minute or a 15-minute chart, use that. If price action stands out, I like Flex Renko charts because price action stands out for me. But if something else, and I just use that for to see what's going on in the markets. But if something else works for you, then by golly, use it. Anyway, here's the Globex session. I wanted to draw some zones here. Here's Globex. Here's the first 3 minutes of Globex. So what we had, I drew some zones in here. I wanted to show you guys this. Number one, you see where when Globex opened, it pushed up a couple of bars, and then volume just went to crap right there. Just volume went to crap, and here we go back down. Now you see, interestingly enough, see that bar? Let's look at this bar right there. See that bar right there? And I'll put my cursor right on it. That's the 12 seconds after the open. Okay, we had a retest. Value area high is flat. Now I'm going to give you guys a tip. Watch these value area high, value area low. When they flatten out like this, watch for the retest. Don't just jump in and grab a trade. Watch for the retest of that value area high, because you got one right here. That's a great short. Wait for the retest. Wait for the pullback. However you want to look at that. Now here's one right here. It came down. Now value area low is flattened out. What do? Wait for the retest. You go along. Okay. Here's another one. Wait for the retest. Don't just take that. Jump in. Or you may get stopped out unless you keep your stop loss back. Even if you keep your stop loss back here, you're still not going to get an optimal trade entry. That was the optimal trade entry, which is right below value area high. So you made a value area high. This is see how this is flattened out right here. See how this is flattened out right here. See how this is flattened out right here. Okay, take the retest. Take retest there, retest there, retest there, and retest all the way back over here. Okay, we made this we established this value area low about what? You're looking at 20 minutes after Globex. Okay, so what you're looking at an hour and a half later, you have this retest, but you're working these swings, working these swings. Now when it bottoms out, you can take that. It's pretty much the same level. You can take that long right there, and they've been trying to push it down. This was the last gasp of the sellers, and now we're going to go up. Considering how far we came down today, that doesn't surprise me at all that people were going to buy it up in Globex. Now, what's the other interesting thing is, see this range here? I mean, you're not looking at what, a 5-point range. See how much volume there is? All this volume down here is trying to push all this price action down, and it doesn't work, right? Now they tried here, right? They tried with another 5-point move down. But here's the thing. See how little volume there is to the downside as compared to this guy? I mean, there's a lot of volume to the downside. There's like half volume here. So they're trying to push it down, but there's not a whole lot of confidence in that downside move, okay? So you're going upside. Well, okay, let's look at some targets. What targets do you have? Okay, a really good target is, see when the POC, the point of control, shifted down from that volume profile. When it shifts down, it generally makes a floor. Okay, so that's your floor right across here. Okay, well, where's your ceiling? Your ceiling was up here. Okay, so you can target that. That's 43.30, right? 43.30 you target on the upside for the upside move. 43.17 to 43.30 is not a bad, you know, that's not bad. Or if you just wanted to take these, see these, take these retests, swing, retest, swing, retest, swing down here. These are basically pretty much 5-point moves. Five down, 5 up. This was more than 5. 5 back down, and then 5 back up if you wanted to just get out. Okay, there's your $1,000 move. Moves in 4 trades. $250 a swing, $250 a trade per contract, and you're sitting pretty. And now your value area high is flattened out a little bit. Okay, you can see your 1 hour VWAP is moving up though, and you can see your volatility stops are moving up. Here's your pullback for your volatility stop. So I have no doubt that that's going to come back up in here and fill. It'll probably do it. You're looking at it within the next hour, maybe 2 hours. Okay, that's why a lot of people don't want to trade Globex, because it takes 2 hours for a move. Anyway, so we're looking at that. We're looking at these scalps, and all you got to do is look for these areas. Just to recap, you look for the flat. When value area high, value area flattens out, look for take the retest. Take retest there, retest there, retest there, retest down here, and boom, it just takes off. Okay, and I know people are going, yeah, but wait a minute, you didn't get a retest like you got a retest here. Well, no, you didn't. You didn't get a bounce down on the retest there. However, you're still, if you're still in from here, see, that's a retest, right? This is a retest of that value area low. So why not just take it when it comes and touches that? Take the long, you know, take your money and be happy. Anyway, hope this helped. You can see these on, like I said, I've got this on a 4-tick range chart, but you can see these on pretty much anywhere, you know, like a 1, 2, or 3 minute, 5 minute chart. You can see these. But anyway, I hope this helped. I hope this is helpful for you scalpers down there that are kind of dipping your toes in the ES and don't want to get, you know, don't want to get blown out of the water, because that $12.50 a tick is a bit expensive. But just kind of showing you guys how to trade this market and how to trade the ES, and I hope this has been very helpful. See ya.